Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have completed the addition of matrices and some of the examples on that one, and also the properties of addition of matrices. In the addition of matrices, already we have completed some of the important properties. That is, first one, commutative property. For A and B any two matrices, A plus B equal to B plus A. After that, we completed associative property. That is, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. And third one, we completed existence of an identity element, that is A plus O equal to O plus A equal to A. Now today we discuss the remaining last property, that is existence of an inverse element. Existence of an inverse element, or it is also called as the existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. For this we consider the square matrix, any matrix A equal to Aij of an order m by n. Then there exists another matrix such that minus A, such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to O. Here this minus A is called as the inverse of the matrix A. Otherwise this A is called as inverse of the matrix minus A. So like this we define the additive inverse of the matrix. Otherwise it is also called as the inverse element under addition of the matrices. For example, if we consider A equal to minus A to 1, 2, 3. Now we find the inverse of this matrix, that is minus A equal to minus times of 1 into A it is. As you know that minus negative of the matrix already, that is defined by minus 1 times of A. So here you write minus 1 times of A is given as minus 8, 1, 2, 3. Now you multiply all the elements of a matrix by scalar minus 1, then we get minus into minus 8 plus 8, minus into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus into 3 minus 3. Now we say that this is the inverse of given matrix, that is 8 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is the inverse of minus 8 1 2 3. Otherwise minus 8 1 2 3 is inverse of the matrix 8 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, because here we observe that A plus minus A is equal to O. If you add these two matrices, you get that is 0 or null matrix, because minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore A plus minus A equal to 0. Similarly we get minus A plus A is also equal to 0, or it is O matrix. By combining these two we get A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to O. So like this we define the inverse of given matrix under addition of the matrices. Next we go for multiplication, that is properties of scalar multiplication. Properties of scalar multiplication. In the last class we discussed that multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Using that we discuss some of the important properties, that is properties of scalar multiplication. Here we consider two matrices of the same order, A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij. These are two matrices of the same order. If order of this is m by n, order of this is also m by n. These are two given matrices of the same order. Along with they consider the two scalars K and L. They are the two scalars. Now we discuss the property. First one, It is k times of a plus b. K times of a plus b is equal to k into a plus k into b. Here the scalar is multiplied with sum of the two matrices. Then we get the scalar multiplication of a plus scalar multiplication of b. It is first result. Similarly, we go for second result, that is k plus l into a. Here sum of scalars is k plus l multiplied with the given matrix A. Then we get that k into A plus L into A. These two are called the properties of scalar multiplication of the matrix. For example, if you consider A equal to 2, 3, 1, 5, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, these are two given matrices of the same order. And if you consider k equal to 2 and L equal to 4, these are two scalars. Now we check the two properties by using these two matrices and that two scalars. Now we check first k times of a plus b, LHS. K is it is 2 and a plus b. A plus b means you add these two matrices. First matrix is 2, 3, 1, 5. Second matrix is 1, 2, 3, 5. Then you get 2 times of, it is addition of matrices, that is corresponding elements. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and 1 plus 3 equal to 4 and 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Again it is scalar multiplication. Now by scalar multiplication we get multiply that 2 with 3, 5 and 4, 10. Then you get k times of a plus b. K times of a plus b equal to, you multiply every element of this matrix by 2. Then you get 2 into 3, it is 6. Next 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 4, 8. And 2 into 10, 20. Call this as equation number 1. Next we consider k into a plus k into b, that is right hand side value. K value you know that already. K value equal to 2. A value is 2, 3, 1, 5 plus k times of b. 2 times of b matrix is 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we check result of this one. Multiplication of these two with this whole matrix, again scalar multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Again addition of these two matrices. 4 added with 2, 6, 6 with 4, 10, 2 with 6, 8, 10 with 10, it is 20. Now call this as 2. Now it is k times of a plus b value. Now from these two equations 1 and 2, what you are observing here, right hand side values are equal. 6, 10, 8, 20, here also 6, 10, 8, 20. Therefore we conclude that left hand side must be also equal. Therefore we conclude that by 1 and 2, k times of a plus b is equal to k times a plus k times of b. So like this we check the property of any given matrix by using the scalars. Now we go for some of the important examples. Example, if 2 times of x3 1 4 plus 3 times of 1y 3 2 is equal to it is 11, 14 minus 1 6. Find x and y. Suppose you given this type of matrices, then you find the value of x and y by using this equation. Now We solve by using scalar multiplication and equality of the matrices. First, we simplify scalar multiplication of these two. 2 with x, that is 2x. Next 2 with 3, 6. 2 with 1, 2. 2 with 4, 8. Plus, you get 3 times 1, 3. 3 into y is 3y. And 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. Equal to, you got minus 1, 6, 11, 14. It is already given. It is as it is. Now, left hand side is nothing but addition of two matrices. You can add these two, and right hand side you keep as it is. 2x added with 3 corresponding elements. 2x plus 3. Similarly, 6 added with 3y. It is 6 plus 3y. It is 2 added with 9. It is 2 plus 9. 8 added with 6. 8 plus 6 equal to minus 1, 6. 11, 14. Now it is 2x plus 3, 6 plus 3y. It is 11, 8 plus 6 is 14. It is equal to right hand side as it is minus 1, 6, 11, 14. Now you observe that in this the second row is equal for the two matrices, but in first row we are observing variables 2x plus 3 and 6 plus 3y. Now, by equality of the two matrices, we consider first element equal to first element, that is a11 equal to a11. Then we get 2x plus 3 equal to minus 1. And by taking second corresponding element 6 plus 3y equal to 6. 6 plus 3y equal to 6. By using equality of matrices, we get these values. Now we solve for them. Now 2x equal to minus 1 minus 3, it is minus 4. Take that side. So x equal to minus 4 by 2, it is minus 2. So it is the value of x. Similarly, 3y equal to 6 minus 6, 3y equal to 0. Or y equal to 0 by 3. It is 0. Therefore, we get x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. These are solutions of given example by using the given condition. Take these solutions. Now we go for next example. Find the values of x and y if 2 times of 130x plus y012 equal to 5618. It is a textbook question. Now we solve like this. Plus y012 equal to 5618. Now using this equation we solve for x and y. Now first we multiply 2 with this matrix, that is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into x is 2x, plus second matrix as it is y012, it is equal to 5618, it is also as it is. Now addition of these two matrices, it is 2 added with y corresponding element, 2 plus y, 6 added with 0, 6 plus 0, it is 0 plus 1, it is 2x plus 2. Right hand side as it is 5618. Now it is 2 plus y, it is 6, it is 1, 2x plus 2, it is equal to 5618 as it is. Now by equality of matrices, we observe that here 2 plus y equal to 5, 2 plus y equal to 5, and here 6 and 6 are equal and 1 and 1 are equal, but in place of 2x plus 2 you are observing 8. 2x plus 2 equal to 8. Now first we solve for y equal to 5 minus 2, take this side, therefore y equal to 3. Similarly here 2x equal to 8 minus 2, 2x equal to 6, Therefore, x equal to 6 by 2, x equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. It is the solution of the given example. Next we go for next example. If x times of 2, 3, y times of minus 1, 1 equal to 10, 5. Now, in this equation, we first make the scalar multiplication, then you make equality of the two matrices. Now, first you multiply x with this matrix, that is x into 2 is 2x, x into 3 is 3x, plus this is multiplied with y into minus 1 is minus y into 1 is y, equal to 10, 5 as it is. Now, addition of these two matrices, it is 2x added with minus y, you get 2x minus y, and 3x added to y, it is 3x plus y, equal to 10, 5. Now, by equality of matrices, we solve these two equations. First, we consider the equation 2x minus y equal to 10. After that, second equality 3x plus y equal to 5. 3x plus y equal to 5. Now, we can solve these two equations. You call this as equation number 1 and it has 2. Now, it is solved like this. First, you cancel plus y and minus y directly here. Then you can add 2x plus 3x is 5x, equal to right hand side is 10 plus 5. It is equal to 15. 5x equal to 15. Therefore, x equal to 15 by 5. So it is equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3. It is the first value. Then you calculate the value of y by using 1. By 1, you observe that 2x minus y equal to 10. You put the value of x here. X equal to 3 got already. 2 into 3 minus y equal to 10. 2 into 3 is 6 minus y equal to 10. Then you take 6 to that side. Minus y equal to 10 minus 6. So minus y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to minus 4. Therefore x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 4. It is the solution of the given example. Write down this one. Now we go for next example. 3 times of xy zw plus x1 minus 1 2w plus 4x plus y z plus w 3. By using the equality of matrices, we can solve this one. It is equal to consider. Next, we make scalar multiplication first. First, we multiply 3 with this matrix 3x, 3 with y, 3y, 3 with z, 3z, 3 with w, 3w equal to. Now we can go for addition of matrices. X with 4, it is x plus 4, it is 1 plus x plus y. Next, minus 1 plus z plus w, and it is 2w plus 3. It is addition of matrices on right hand side. Now we take equality of the matrices for solving this. Now first we equate first element equal to first element, a11 equal to a11, 3x equal to x plus 4. Then we get the one value of x. Then 3x minus x equal to 4. 3x minus x is 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 2, x equal to 2. We got first value of x. Next we go for another value. For that you take equality of second value, that is 3y equal to 1 plus x plus y. Now by equating second element we get 3y equal to 1 plus x plus y. Now you substitute the value of x. already you know that it is 3y minus y equal to 1 plus x. Take y to this side. 3y minus y is 2y equal to 1 plus x. Now substitute the value of x. X you got 2. So 2y equal to 1 plus 2. So y equal to 3. 2y equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 3 by 2. It is the second value of variable. Next we go for it is 3w equal to 2w plus 3, equating a to 2 element with a to 2 element. 3w equal to 2w plus 3. Then you take this to this side. 3w minus 2w equal to 3. It is w equal to 3. It is third variable. Next we go for equality of a to one element with a to one element, that is 3z equal to in that place you observe that minus 1 plus z plus w. Now you take z to this side. 3z minus z equal to minus 1 plus w. Now you know that already the value of w substitute here. 3z minus z is 2z equal to minus 1 plus 3. 2z equal to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Therefore z equal to 2 by 2, z equal to 1. So like that you solve the example by using this one. Now you go for next example. It is given that a equal to 1, 2 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1, and b equal to 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 0, 3. And matrix C is given as 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Then compute the values of a plus b and b minus c, and also verify that a plus b minus c equal to a plus b minus c. It is important 5 marks question. Now we solve this example. It is nothing but associative property of the addition of matrices. Here first we calculate left hand side, afterwards we go for right hand side. So before that they asked to find the a plus b and b minus c value. First to calculate the value of a plus b. A plus b given by 1, 2 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1, plus b is 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, it is 2, 0, 3. Now we can add these two matrices by addition of matrices. Corresponding elements, 1 with 3, 1 plus 3, 2 with 1, plus into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, 5 with 4, 5 plus 4, 0 with 2, 0 plus 2, 2 with 5, 2 plus 5, 1 with 2, 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 3. Then you get 1 plus 3 is 4, it is 1, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. It is the value of a plus b. Next they ask to find the value of b minus c. Now you go for b minus c value. It is difference of two matrices. First you put the b value. It is 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, minus times c value is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 1 minus 2, 3. Now you find the difference of these two, that is 3 subtract with 4, that is 3 minus 4, minus 1 with 1, minus 1 minus of 1 is minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus of 2, next 4 minus 0, and 2 minus of 3, 5 minus of 2, 2 minus of 1, 0 minus of minus 2. It is 0 minus of minus 2, 3 minus of 3. 3 minus 3. Then you get, simplify this one. B minus C equal to 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Second row, 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now it is the value of B minus C, and already you got the value of A plus B. Now you go for LHS and RHS. Left hand side is A plus B minus C. Then you calculate that one. A plus B minus C value. A is 1, 2 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 plus B minus C value got already, that is minus 1 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Now you can add these two matrices. Now 1 with minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, it is minus 3 plus 0, 5 with 4, 5 plus 4, 0 minus 1, because plus into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 with 3, 2 plus 3, 1 with 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 2, it is 1 plus 0. So our answer is 0, 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1, it is 1. Call this as equation number 1. It is the value of A plus B minus C. It is the left hand side. Next we go for right hand side value. Right hand side value is nothing but A plus B minus C. Now we calculate that one. A plus B minus C. A plus B already got. A plus B value is 4, 1 minus 1. Substitute here. 4, 1 minus 1. 9 to 7. 9 to 7. 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. Minus matrix C. C value substitute. 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. 0, 3, 2. 0, 3, 2. And 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. Again it is difference of the two matrices. Now we take the difference of these two. First 4 with 4, that is 4 minus 4. Next 1 with 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus of 2, that is minus 1 minus 2. Next second row, 9 with 0, that is 9 minus 0. Next 2 with 3, that is 2 minus 3. 7 with 2, 7 minus 2. 3 with 1, 3 minus 1. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. It is minus 1 plus 2, because minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Next 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Simplify this one. You get 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Next 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore, it is the right hand side value, that is the value of A plus B minus C. This we got 0, 0, minus 3, 9 minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Call this as equation number 2. Now you observe that by question number 1 and 2, it is very clear that the right hand side values are equal. That is 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 5 and 2, 1, 1. Both sides you got the same value. Therefore, right hand sides are equal. Automatically, the left hand side should be equal. Therefore, what you conclude by 1 and 2? By 1 and 2, we conclude that a plus b minus c equal to a plus b minus c equal to a plus b minus of c. So it is solution of the given example. It is very important 5 marks question. Take down this one. After this, we have completed the addition of matrices and scalar multiplication of a matrix, and also properties of addition of matrices and the properties of scalar multiplication, and we saw some of the important examples on addition of matrices and scalar multiplication. Now take assignment. First one, if 2 times of x, y, 1, 3 plus 7, 3, 1, 4 is equal to minus 1, 8, 3, 10. Find the values of x and y. Second one, if a equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 4, b equal to 6, 1 minus 2, 3, find first one 2a plus b, second a minus 2b, third 3a plus 2b, fourth one 5a minus 3b. Next, I'll give similar one 5 marks question. Third, if a equal to 1, 3, 0, 2 minus 1, 2, 5, 1, 6, b equal to 2, 1, 8, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, c equal to 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Find the values of a plus b and b minus c, and prove that a plus b minus c equal to a plus b minus c. It is similar to last question. All of you try this one. Now we stop this, and in next class we go for multiplication of matrices. Thank you. Stop.